Unleashing your potential, becoming a successful YouTuber. In today's digital age, YouTube has emerged as a platform where creators can showcase their talents, share knowledge, and entertain millions of viewers. However, becoming a successful YouTuber requires more than just uploading videos. In this clip, we will explore the key steps to help you navigate the world of YouTube and maximize your chances of success, using simple words. 1. Find your passion. To build a successful YouTube channel, it is essential to identify your passion and create content that aligns with it. Whether it's gaming, fashion, cooking, or comedy, choosing a niche that genuinely interests you will enable you to produce authentic and engaging videos that resonate with your audience. 2. Define your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial in creating content that appeals to them. Research who your potential viewers are, what they like, and what they are looking for. Tailor your videos to address their needs and interests, ensuring that your content is valuable and relevant to them. 3. Plan and create compelling content. Consistency is key in building a successful YouTube channel. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. Plan your videos in advance, ensuring they are well-researched and structured. Invest time in creating high-quality videos with good lighting, clear audio, and engaging visuals. Remember, the more value you provide to your viewers, the more likely they are to subscribe and share your content. 4. Master your video editing skills. Video editing plays a crucial role in making your content stand out. Learn the basics of video editing software and experiment with different techniques to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. From adding transitions and overlays to incorporating music and sound effects, mastering the art of editing can greatly elevate the quality of your content. 5. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. Respond to comments, engage with your viewers, and take their feedback into account. This level of interaction builds trust, loyalty, and a sense of belonging among your audience, encouraging them to share your content and become loyal subscribers. 6. Optimize your channel. In order to reach a wider audience, optimize your channel for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Craft compelling thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Additionally, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, as this can help you tap into their subscriber base and gain exposure. 7. Promote your content. Creating great content is just the first step. Promoting it is equally important. Leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share your videos and engage with potential viewers. Cross-promote your content on other relevant channels or websites, and consider collaborating with other creators to expand your reach. In conclusion, becoming a successful YouTuber requires time, effort, and dedication. By finding your passion, defining your target audience, planning and creating compelling content, mastering video editing skills, engaging with your audience, optimizing your channel, and promoting your content, you can unlock your potential and build a thriving YouTube channel. Remember, success may not come overnight, but with persistence and perseverance, you can make your mark in the exciting world of YouTube.